What is going on, guys? This is Clyde Nerf Nerd here, back with another video, and today we're playing a Russian car driving simulator online. Oh, wait, hold on, I'll be right. Anyways, online, so it should be absolute chaos. From so far what I've learned, it has been. But I've learned, I don't think I'm supposed to be this way, because and I'm glitching through everything. Well, you pick up these little coins that are oh no. Oh, yeah, flipped, alright. But you pick up these little coins that are lying around, and it gives you money, of course, but I seem to be stuck again. Can't get out. It keeps spawning me in a stuck there. But, half the time I'm playing and people don't even know what they're doing. So, should be interesting. Oh no. No, so close. Wait. Yeah? No. I'm stuck. Again. Maybe, can that? No. Alright. No. Aren't these just chairs? Why are they so big? Not necessarily chairs. My tires are so low right now. I'll be right. Alright, I'm back and I'm about to do a, alright. A soccer match. Oh, never mind. We need more people. Well, then I'm about to do another free ride. I joined the thing with the most people. Yeah, maybe. Maybe this is gonna work. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I think I've already been here a minute ago. Not while recording, but that's okay. Wait, what? There's a coin. Ooh. Boom. $2,000. Right into the bank. But what I did a minute ago was raise my tires. It said I rose them, but it does not look any different. But yeah, there's all kinds of cars like this. Do you see how cool that looked? It's amazing. But, oh no. Well, that messed up. Looks like there's some cool people over here. Hopefully there's some neat vehicles. There's just a plain white, cool looking one that I accidentally hit. That's the same type of car as me in a different skin. That's the same type of car as me in a different skin again. And none of the, oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh my. Oh, that's it. Wow. Well, that's a nice respawn place. So, oh. It's up. The new flag gives up. Go, 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 go. I saw it on my map. Oh. I think somebody else is going for it and failing horribly. And it's mine. Ba-boom. 4,000. It gives you 2,000 per coin, which is pretty good. Oh. Oof. Alright. Go, go. Somebody take it? Yeah. Well, that was quick. Oh, drive around this and get my top speed. No, I did not know there was a wall there. Wow. Well, that's good to know. There's one above me? I'm on the highest level. Oh my goodness. How is there something above? Wow. Did they really? Mine, darn it. Did I get? No, I didn't get that. thought I got the... Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get the fun. This guy is hogging them, isn't he? Oh my goodness. And I'm done for. Oh my... What? I landed that upright? I don't know how. Whoa, cool looking skin that just passed me. Really? Oh! Airtime. That vehicle. Oh, I've gotten 3? Whoops, that was a really expensive car. I just thought, well, you don't need this anymore, do you? Am I stuck? I kinda am. Oh, not anymore. Can't drive on the wall. No. Oh my goodness. Darn it. Move. Thank you. And that guy up there took it. The guy that's falling off the edge of the wall. White. Well, that made for an interesting crash. Well, oh, there it is. Yeah, those guys. I'll let them get it. Since, why not? Oh! I was gonna try to go head on with somebody and I slipped. I slipped up. Hello. Really, really rich person. Wow. Alright. No. No, no, no. I need money. I need good money. No. Darn it. Jerk. Nah, 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 nah. Oh my goodness. You being a meanie. Oh my goodness. Let me go in reverse, please. You being a coin hogger? And he is. Yep. Rich person's being a coin hogger. Nice. Don't worry. Ow. Take all the coins. I don't care. Honestly, I do. Maybe at some point I'll try to do an actual race. Whoa, that goes fast. That's really tight. Spaces. I don't think I'm gonna get that one. I don't know, I might. And yeah, maybe. This guy's nice enough, it is mine. Nope, and he just took it. Whoa, hello. Oh my goodness. Well, you're a powerful little dinky car. And somebody took it already. I can't get... That's what's better to go on maps with, without as many vehicles. What? Oh, I thought it did something. But nope, did nothing. Wait, how much? 12,000. How much is... Okay, that's a lot of money. What is this? Don't even know. That? What? Did I just spend money? Oh, I'm spending money on acceleration. Well, didn't... Oh, yeah, that's expensive. Didn't know what I was doing there. So I'll go... Time race. Time race. Time race. No, it won't work. Ooh, chase? So it's like a police chase? Can I create one? No? What is this? Okay. What? Oh, well, be right back. Okay, I just joined another server, and I believe me and that guy right there is the only other person. And he just took that coin. Don't even care. He did not take the coin. Why did he not take the coin? What? Okay. Oh man, that's just messed up. He waits for me to get right beside it, and then he just takes it. So here, have it. Nope. Meanie. Mean person, you know that? You know it? I wonder if that crashed. You snoring, Callie? Sorry, that's my cat. Oh. What? Oh. Couldn't tell what happened. I thought the video shut off. You. Oh, really? Another speedy guy joins. Darn. May I have to create my own server and set it to like only me or something? Or set it to password, that way nobody else can actually join or something. Off camera, that way y'all don't have to wait the whole time. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you didn't enjoy the video, leave a dislike. Make sure to press that subscribe button. If you do press the subscribe button, make sure to press the bell icon. That way every time I make a whoa video, y'all will get a notification. That way you'll know every time I upload a video. And guys,